All right, this video we're going to set up a budget. I'm going to do this in probably two different videos. The first video here is going to explain the different sections and the formulas for the income section, and the second one will be to talk about the expenses and the difference. Okay, so income, when you're creating a budget, you have your income section and you have your expenses. Income, money coming in; expenses, money going out. You want to manage that money, right? And it starts with knowing how many hours you're going to be working. As a teenager, you're going to have, more than likely have a part-time job where you are paid based on the hours. All right, so then you're going to need to know your how much you're getting paid per hour. If you take your number of hours times your dollar per hour, that's going to give you your gross income. So we're going to create this budget. Polling the class, it's pretty typical that a part-time high school job is about $15 per hour. I'm sorry, 15 hours per week. Generally, it's a minimum wage, which is $8.90. So we're going to do a little bit better than that. We're going to give you $9 per hour. I'm going to format that for currency. All right, so we're going to put in our first formula here to calculate gross income. Gross income is your income before taxes, and it's going to be equals, move my mouse out of the way, equals your number of hours times your dollars per hour, what you get paid. Anytime you get the pound signs there, you can just extend your the width of your column there. All right, so when you get paid, the government gets paid as well. They get through taxes. And so we're going to put in a formula here that's going to approximately tell you how much you'll have to pay in taxes. All right, we're going to assume that you are being taxed 20%. So we're going to go equals our gross pay, and we're going to multiply that by 20% or 0.2, the decimal equivalent. And we press enter, and so you could expect that the government, federal, state, FICA, Social Security is going to get $27 of your pay. Next, we're going to calculate our net income, and that's going to be our gross income minus taxes. So equals gross income, B4, minus our taxes, B5. And so our take-home pay in this situation would be $108. Now that's a weekly number, and typically as we're doing a budget, we're talking about a monthly number. And so we're just going to go with 4 weeks in a month. So we're going to put in a formula here that's going to take that weekly net income and multiply it by 4 for a monthly number of $432.